White rice is a basic for every kitchen. If you're going to use it to hold up Mongolian beef or chicken broccoli, white rice is the thing you need to learn how to cook. And now for the star of this dish, rice. White rice. Now, 1 cup of uncooked rice equals to 2 cups of cooked rice. 2 cups of cooked rice is enough for about 1.5 people. It is very important to rinse your rice. You're going to rinse your rice like this in a colander or a little filter until the water that comes out the bottom is clear. It is important to get you some nice fluffy rice. Now, the main question a lot of people ask is, how much water do I put for the rice? Well, if you have an instant pot, all you need is a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 cup equals 1 cup of water. But when you're doing it this way, it's important to put a little bit extra, which is the steam that actually is escaping from the cooking rice. Once your rice has finished rinsing, go ahead and put it into your pot, and then you're going to put it on your stove. Make sure your fire is on high. It's very important to add salt to your rice, and I have found that 1 teaspoon of salt is what you need per cup of rice. And in this recipe, I'm adding 2 teaspoons. Let the rice come to a strong boil, then grab some aluminum foil, get a sheet out, cover the top of the pot, and then make a good seal around the pot, leaving a tiny little hole on the inside so that the steam can breathe. Then turn down the fire to the lowest setting and leave it there for 18 minutes. After 18 to 20 minutes, it's time to take the top off, turn off the fire, and see how beautiful your rice looks. Now it's time to just fluff up that rice and get ready to serve it.